Hey there, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting your free video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you can apply right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence and get more organic leads. Nearly 70% of your organic leads do come from your website, so it is really important your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. All right. First thing I notice is all your contact information right here, and I love it. You're making it super easy for your customers to be able to reach you as soon as they land on your page. So that's awesome. Okay, you have separate pages for each of your services. So that's good. This is really, really important. This is what allows you to be found organically because you can build content around these services with the keywords people are researching to find help with these services. So it is important that all of these pages have original content and that they're focused on their own local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching for that specific service in your area. Um, Google does not like duplicated content, and or nor does it like if you try and rank the same keywords on multiple pages, and Google will penalize you for that. Okay, so we have a little bit of content, uh, branding, keywords. I'm not seeing any local keywords, however. So Google does not rank a website based on appearance, it is based on content. Content is key, and you do need a lot of content. Google likes you to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content or more, depending on what your competition is doing. The more content your competitors have, the more content you will need. But the content does need to be written around those local buyer intent keywords rather than national keywords, because when you are trying to rank on a national level, even though there's a lot higher volume, um, you're not servicing the whole country. And just a small percent, you might get one or two people that are local. All your other traffic will then be national and they're going to leave and they're not going to convert. And the whole purpose of your website is to drive that local traffic and convert them into paying customers. Um, Also, if you're servicing multiple areas, which it looks like you do, then you really need to have separate service area pages. In the cities that you service that have search volume should have their own page so that you can show up organically in each of those communities for your services. If we look at your top competitor, believe it or not, your top competitor, when I research drainage contractors in Portland, is this landscaping company. It happens to be just one of their services, and they are ranking the highest organically in Portland. So they have a nice looking website. Um, they have separate pages for different services. They have a service area page. However, this page is not doing them much good. They're simply just listing out the towns. Now that may help if there's low competition in that area, but that's not really how you're going to get found in those communities. You do need to have separate pages. And just looking at their homepage, they do have a lot more content, so you would definitely have to beat their content. More content and focus on that keyword strategy is going to be key. And then support your website with SEO, because without search engine optimization, you're not going to be found online. So if we look here, you have a rating of a 4.5 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google still doesn't really trust your website. And that's 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. While you do need a lot of these, not all are created equal. So this is a popularity contest in Google. You need to have the most relevant backlinks possible to your industry and services. That'll give you more authority in Google's eyes, more power, and help you to rank your keywords. But you want to make sure that you're getting do follow links, and know that Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So if we look here, only 19 of yours are do follows. So that means you only have 19 relevant backlinks helping your website. You have been indexed for over 150 keywords, and you're getting about 21 people to your website on average per month. If we look at your keywords, you have 3 that are on the first page of Google. There's 10 spots per page. And it looks like the same keyword on multiple pages. So you're definitely have to work on your keyword strategy and avoid these national keywords. You can use the national keywords, but you also need to have those local keywords. Now, if we look at your top competitor, oops, sorry, wrong one. So your competitor here, they have a rating of a 36. So they're doing pretty good. And that's with over 10,000 backlinks. That is overkill. That's over 9,000 spammy links. If we take a look, they have 931 of those that are do follows. So if you were to compete against all their services, you would have to beat their 931 do follow, referring domains in quantity versus quality. They have been indexed for nearly 3,000 keywords, and they're getting over 1,500 people to their website on average per month. But similar to you guys, if we actually look at their keywords, majority of the keywords they're going after are national keywords, and that's where the traffic's coming from. Even near me is a national keyword. So these guys, as far as for your services, should be fairly simple to beat, but you will have to work on those local keywords and your content strategy, and then support it with backlinks. Now, if we look here, the last piece of this puzzle, 30% of people search in the maps here and don't search anywhere else. So your goal should be to be in the top 3. If you're not, you're going to have to optimize your Google My Business profile. There's a lot of factors that go into that, but the most important is going to be your citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor, and you will need more of those than your competitors. Now, if you follow each of those tips I have provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across Google for all of your services in each of your service areas. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.